Not all you see and read on the internet is true and correct. I do my best to verify that what I'm sharing here on my channel is backed by science. I encourage you to check out my sources posted on the description box below. I also specify if particular information is not supported by any scientific study. According to the International Diabetes Federation, in 2019, approximately 463 million adults 20 to 79 years old were living with diabetes. By 2045, this will rise to 700 million. Eating fruit is a delicious way to satisfy hunger and meet daily nutritional needs. However, most fruits contain sugar. The American Diabetes Association advises that any fruit is fine to eat for a person with diabetes, as long as that person is not allergic to a particular fruit. Here are 3 fruits that are good for people with diabetes according to small scientific studies. 1. Mangosteen. Mangosteen is an evergreen fruit tree that bears pulpy fruits and is native to Southeast Asia. During the 19th century, it was coined the nickname Queen of Fruits because, according to rumors, Queen Victoria desired this healthy fruit. In a clinical trial on 22 obese women, oral mangosteen extract combined with behavioral therapy improved insulin resistance better than behavioral therapy alone. One animal study, mangosteen extract stimulated insulin usage and lowered blood sugar in rats. Mangosteen extract is also an AMPK activator, which may help reduce inflammation. AMPK is an enzyme that plays a key role in energy balance. When activated in certain tissues, it has many beneficial effects on our bodies. It stimulates the metabolism, improves insulin sensitivity, decreases inflammation, and improves muscle performance. 2. Monk fruit. Monk fruit is indigenous to northern Thailand and southern China, where it is grown for its fruit. In China, it is used as traditional medicine and as a low-calorie sweetener. An animal study showed that monk fruit effectively reduced triglyceride, sugar, and total cholesterol blood levels. On the other hand, it also successfully increased HDL cholesterol, known as the good cholesterol that prevents atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis refers to the buildup of fats, cholesterol, and other substances in and on your artery walls, which can restrict blood flow. In another animal study involving diabetic rats, monk fruit was found to lower sugar levels in the blood and albumin levels in the urine, which shows that it can treat kidney complications secondary to diabetes. Monk fruit also restored insulin production and prevented triglyceride buildup in a cell model experiment. 3. Guanabana. Guanabana or soursop is the fruit of an evergreen tree called Annona muricata. Although its exact origin is not known, it is indigenous to the tropical areas of the Caribbean and the Americas, and that it is cultivated worldwide. Here in the Philippines, we call this fruit guyabano. In a study with diabetic rats, guanabana leaf extract treatment effectively lowered glucose levels in the blood. This is attributed to guanabana's ability to raise the liver's antioxidant levels, reduce oxidation of fats, and protect beta cells in the pancreas. In the laboratory, phenols found in guanabana fruit, leaf, and skin extracts and guanabana tea hinder the activity of A-amylase and A-glucosidase, which are enzymes associated with type 2 diabetes. If you find this video informative or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you love science-based content on beauty and health, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and stay safe.